Have you ever felt like everyone around you is moving faster, like they're getting ahead, while you're still waiting? Maybe you've even asked yourself, am I too slow? Or am I just not good enough? Today, I want to share a story with you. A simple story, but one that can change the way you see your life. It's called The Two Lamps. Long ago, in a small, peaceful village, two oil lamps were placed side by side in a quiet temple. Every evening, as the sun disappeared, both lamps were lit to bring light into the darkness. The first lamp was restless. It flickered brightly and said, "I want to shine the brightest. I want everyone to notice me." So it burned its oil quickly. Its flame danced high, glowing strong and loud. People passing by said, "Wow, look at that lamp. It's so bright." The first lamp felt proud. It thought, "This is what success feels like." But the second lamp was different. It stayed calm, steady, and silent. Its flame was not too high, not too low, just constant, peaceful, controlled. It used its oil slowly, carefully, as if it knew something the first lamp didn't. The first lamp laughed and said, "Why are you so dull? Look at me. I'm shining so brightly. Everyone sees me." The second lamp replied softly, "I'm not here to shine for a moment. I'm here to last through the night." Hours passed. The temple grew quieter. The night became darker, deeper, longer. The first lamp kept burning fast, its oil dropping faster and faster. But it didn't stop. It wanted to stay the brightest till the end. And then, suddenly, its flame trembled, flickered once, twice, and went out. Darkness surrounded its place. All that brightness, all that attention, gone in a moment. And what about the second lamp? It was still there, still glowing, calm, steady, silent. Its light wasn't loud, but it was enough. It stayed through the deep night, through the silence, through the stillness. When the early morning came, when the first rays of sunlight entered the temple, that second lamp was still burning. A gentle breeze passed through, and the second lamp whispered quietly, "Burning fast is easy, but lasting long, that takes control." Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. The villagers slowly stopped noticing the brightest light and started trusting the one that never went out. The second lamp became a symbol, not of brightness, but of consistency. So if you ever feel like others are shining brighter than you, moving faster than you, getting noticed before you, remember this: not everything that shines fast lasts long, and not everything that grows slowly is weak. Sometimes you're not being ignored. You're being prepared, prepared to last, prepared to endure, prepared to stay when others fade. Because real power is not in how fast you shine, but in how long you can keep your light alive. So don't rush your flame. Protect it, control it, nurture it. Take your time, because in the end, the world doesn't remember the brightest spark. It remembers the light that never went out. For the brightest spark, it remembers the light that never went out.